So I've set clear the time parameters of the question as well. So I've said 1985 to 1991. So this is only a 6 year period, and I've highlighted the fact that it's nuanced and complex. I've also made the term the West. I've also explained why I'm only going to be looking at the US for this. And I said I have limited space within the essay for this. You don't necessarily have to say that, but it can be quite useful just for your own sake as you're writing the first draft. Defined the range of countries that I'm looking at. But I've also made sure to say that the Eastern Bloc was not just one state or one country, but it was a very complex mix of different actors there as well. And you could similarly do something for the term civilizations, one angle through which you could explore the essay, which I haven't looked at so much, but I think would be an interesting way of doing it, would be to think about civilizations and to ask whether we can really come up with one explanation for how civilizations collapse, or whether civilizations being so different from each other must always be treated in different ways. So I've argued that actually there's a narrow framework to the question. However, some of the things that I haven't done so well in a question is my catchy introduction. Although actually, to be fair, the first sentence is quite good because I said it's of limited use in understanding the ending of the Cold War. So that's quite a bold statement to be making from the very first sentence. But in the context of an essay competition like this, from the judged based on the previous prize winners, they want you to have more of an extended academic format. So most historians, when they write articles, start with either a quotation or an anecdote. You could have an anecdote about a certain civilization collapsing and something that you found interesting from that. And I think the Clive book on 1177 is going to be a good place to find such anecdotes.